Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I'm going to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are looking to light up a pathway or a walkway around your yard or your garden. So these were sent over by a company called XMCOSY, and they are some solar-powered, smart, motion sensor controlled pathway lights. Now these are really, really cool because, like I said, they have a solar panel on top of them, so you don't ever have to worry about plugging them in or trying to run a wire or anything to them. They will charge up via the sunlight. Now you're going to use the XMCOSY app to go ahead and set them up, and through that you're going to be able to tweak a ton of settings. So these are RGB colors, so you can go ahead and select millions of color options if you want them red, blue. You can change up the colors per the season, or you can have them just set up on the white. They do have the full range of very warm white light, which is what I personally like, or you can have it on the very cool white light. The option is purely up to you. Also through the app, if you are throwing a party, you can set it up to where they interact with the music. But once you've set it up, you're gonna essentially go through and you're gonna tweak the motion sensors. So these are not dusk till dawn lights. They are activated via motion sensors. So I have it currently set up to where they will go ahead and activate once you walk across it, and then they will stay on for about 30 seconds. So you can kind of tweak what other custom features you want. You can also change it to where they get brighter when you walk by. It's kind of up to you on how much you want to utilize them. Now I got the 4-pack here because of my space by the pool where we wanted them. It looks perfect as a 4-pack, but they also do come in as a 6-pack. You are going to be able to fully dim them all the way, like I said, from 0 to 100%. So if you do want it on a lower light and then it motion up when you walk by it, you can do that. You can also set up timers and things like that of when it turns off. Now, the batteries in them, they have a 2,600 mAh battery. So as long as it's getting a full sunshine during the day, that's easily going to be able to last you throughout the night when you are walking across them. It's going to allow you even with some cloudy days because, like I said, they are motion sensor triggered. The motion sensor does activate quite a ways away, but you can also customize that in the app. You can set the distance of how far you want. So if you have like a big driveway, for example, and you want it to be a larger motion detection, you can do that. If you have a smaller sidewalk and you wanted a shorter range, you can do that as well. So it's kind of up to you, once again, allowing you to personally tweak the lights as you wish. And as I mentioned, through the app, it's very easy. It's going to automatically detect them once you turn it on. Underneath it, there is the battery that you can change out if you ever need to do that in the future. There is a power button. You're just simply going to press that to turn it on. And then there's also a USB-C slot if you do want to manually charge it. So let's say you've had weeks of rain or something like that and you want to go ahead and get it charged up, you can manually charge it if you wish to do that as well. But to give you an idea of the size, the light itself is about 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches squared, and then it's a little tapered. It has this little pyramid side, and it will throws out the light very, very well. And it's about 20.5 feet off the ground. Now it does have 2 different ways to mount, which is a really cool feature. You can just utilize the stake on it, which just twists in position, fully fills the gap. But if you have like a wood deck or wood stairs, you can go ahead and screw this in with screws. So you do have those 2 options, and it does include the hardware if you do wish to go ahead and mount it to a deck or something like that. But overall, I've been very, very pleased with them. They've worked very, very well. It's a great way to add some ambiance lighting around, like I said, your walkways. If you're in the market and you're looking for a great motion censored landscape lighting, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.